Hello guys, today I'll be showing you a Makossa groove in the key of G. Now the voice I'm using is Funky E Piano, very good for Makossa praises. So it goes like this. Okay. Alright. What I was doing there in the key of G, my left hand was just playing the major chord from G. So C major chord, back to G, then the D major chord, so like this. Now my right hand was playing, so it's simple. It's like this: G, B, A, back to G. So one more time: D, E, C, B. So the next one, so the second one is like this. Let me take this second one again. Now let's add everything together. And that's it. Now there's a second part I played, just came back to this. I was playing almost the same thing, but it's like this. So it's B, D, back to B, A, G. And when the left hand is going to the, so it will land on the C chord as well. So you see, that's the first part. Then the second one. Now the left hand will be going to the D chord. So now these are just freestyle. You can do whatever you like. So Makossa is about freestyling. Do whatever goes with the progression. So that's it. So now let me just Let me just quickly replay what I played.